good. Thank you.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
How you doing, sir?
I'm good, how are you?
Excellent. Can I get the official information and what your name is and what all's in here real quick, man?
Sure, 1 second. Sorry.
Oh, you're good.
Okay. Name is Shawn Testamar. I'm St. Thomas, US Virgin Islands, repping St. Thomas. I got 4 XC318s Crossfire in here, on 2 Crossfire 3K/4K. I got a Tampana amp for now, running the 4/8s in the doors, and a Crossfire 60.4 running the 2 tweets in the door right now.
Yes, sir.
And Pioneer 80 PRS on the dash.
Okay.
That's it.
All right.
And Black Panther, Wakanda
Nice.
Forever.
Okay.
For sure.
Yes, sir.
We got it lit up purple and everything. So.
Awesome. Do you know the specs on your enclosure?
No, but it tuned to like 29 and
29?
a half.
Okay. Yeah, it likes the lows.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Have you ever metered it?
I did, but I had some issues, so we'll see what it does today.
Okay.
Yeah.
Awesome.
I did like a 47, but I'm sure I could do more.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Okay.
May we all get the grub in red, white, blue, little town. Get a 1-star hand-me-down Ford and try to fix it. With some parts and cash, driving a tractor for a sweet little thing. Where's your bobcat backwards to a place you can't wait to leave, but nobody does. 'Cause you listen too much. May we all
it broke apart yesterday, so we had to put the dowels in yesterday.
Okay.
Last night.
That helps.
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome.
And that's the guy that built it, Ryan, and then the guy Chad and the vehicle was in earlier.
Yes, sir.
They built it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice. They did a good job.
Yeah.
And your electrical's really good, man.
Yeah.
It doesn't drop lower.
What I have is a prototype 80 bank in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That helps. Wow.
Yeah.
Nice work.
And running a 2 JS Alt 390 with a CS 390.
Okay.
So I run and do all.
Do a lot. That helps. Awesome. Thank you, man.
Oh, man, you're welcome, man. I
Nice
was watching
to meet you.
videos as well,
Yes, sir.
too, man.
Thanks. Your name was Shawn, right?
Yep, Shawn.
All right. Team Heavyweight.
Team Heavyweight.
Have a good day, Shawn.
You too, man. Thank you.
Good. Thank you.
We'll come up forever in the back.
Nice. We're good?
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
side to side.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.